You're now looking at the website Shopify.com. Shopify is a cloud-based application that allows you to build an e-commerce website which allows you to sell either physical or digital products. This website can be used to sell either locally or internationally and gives you internal statistics on both the products and your business in its entirety. The platform has a number of different plugins that allow you to integrate with third-party systems that are already in use and those that you determine will be necessary to grow your business. You have full control over the look and design of your site in order to brand your business as well as to give it a unique look and feel. There are extensions that will allow you to use your Shopify business in order to do point-of-sale business for pop-ups in your local area, as well as to use applications that will allow you to sell on Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, and eBay. Your setup will allow you to take credit cards and other payment methods in order to do business online. So in this course, we will walk through the basics of starting a Shopify account and getting your site set up to do business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.